I request you please subscribe my channel. Currently you can see I have uploaded more video on many video on Raspberry Pi, Arduino, then Python programming, then some webinar, so that it can grow your career. So if you want to learn something from me, it is free, and you have to just click on this subscribe button, and all the video, it is very unique, and you will learn definitely many things from me. I uploaded mostly video on Raspberry Pi, mostly video on IoT, then Arduino. There are different types of project I have explained, and each project having the programming part. So please subscribe my channel, please support me, and please enhance your knowledge by watching my video. Hello friend, in today's session we will learn how we can design and develop a home automation project by using Arduino and GSM module. So we will control all the hardware like bulb, gate, then fan through the GSM module by using Arduino. So before start the project explanation, I would like to tell you, in this video we will learn how we can connect each and every module with the Arduino. Also we will see the program part, we will see the importance of each and every line from the code, and also we will see how you will run this project at your end and how you will build and develop this project by yourself. So I request you please watch this complete video so that you will get idea about each and everything about this project. Okay, before start the next part, I would like to tell you what will be the flow of this project. So you can see on the screen we have the Arduino, we have the GSM model which is SIM900A, then we have the one relay model which is connected to a DC motor, then another relay model which is connected to AC bulb, and we have the LCD. So when we start the project, so you can see I will reset the project. So when we reset the project, you can see home automation through GSM, that is the project name present on the LCD. Now on the LCD it is showing waiting for the message. That means when we send the message on this GSM model, then automatically this bulb will control, this gate will be control, and this DC motor will be control. So there will be the three message. So there will be 6 messages which control all these 3 modules. So first message, let's say for the AC bulb, there is a message AC on, bulb on and bulb off. So once we send the bulb on message to this GSM module, then automatically this bulb will turn on. Next, there is a second message, bulb off. So when we send the bulb off message to the GSM module, then automatically bulb will turn off. Then another message is gate on and gate off. And third message is another 2 pair of messages, motor on or fan on and fan off. So there are 6 messages which control the all 3 devices. Also you can see there is a LCD. So whenever we send the message, that message will be displayed on this LCD. So whatever the message you will receive, that message will be displayed on this LCD. So this is the complete working flow of this project. Now we will see the actual practical demonstration of this project so that you will get idea what you will learn at the end of this video. Okay, now we will see the practical demonstration of this project. Now first I reset the board so that project start working from the start. So basically, so gate will be automatically closed at that time when I reset the board. So this is the first thing you should observe. Second thing you should observe, on the LCD there is a project name, and then it will show waiting for the message. So I will reset the board. So you can see project reset, home automation system project name on the LCD, then waiting for the message, and gate is closed right now. Now on my second hand there is a mobile, you can see there is a mobile, and I will send the message through that mobile on the GSM module. So once the message received, then gate automatically device will turn on and turn off. Now I will send the first message, that is fan on. So you can see I am typing the message, capital FAN _ ON. So you can see this is the first message, capital FAN _ on, and send the message. So once I send the message, you can see the live message will be displayed on the LCD and fan getting on. So you can see live message display on the LCD, then waiting for message, next message will wait, and fan is turning on. Now I will turn off the fan. So I will send again the second message, FAN _ OFF. So you can see this is the second message. So once I send message, you can observe same message on the LCD, and fan is turn off. So fan off. So wait for some second, you can see live message I send, fan off message on the LCD, and turn off the fan. Now we will open the gate. So how to open the gate? Just type a message, GATE _ on. So this is the second message, GATE _ on. Now I will send the message. So I will send the message sent. message send and message receive. You can see get on. Now if I want to turn off the gate, so I will type again next message GAT_off. So you can see next message is this one, send. So wait for some second again. You can see get off and getting off. Okay, now we will see the how to turn on and turn off the bulb. Okay, I will type the message here. You can see bulb bulb underscore capital on. So this is the message, and I will send the message send. So wait for some second here. Yeah, bulb getting on. You can see message send, bulb getting on. Now we have to turn off the bulb. The turn off the bulb message is bulb capital bulb underscore off and send. So again wait for some second. Bulb off. So you can see live we control all the devices through the GSM module. So this is the working demonstration of this project. Now we will see the hardware connection, then after we will see the program part of this project. Now we will see how to connect different types of hardware with Arduino. So first you can see there is LCD, then Arduino and SIM900A module. It is already connected to the Arduino. So how to connect this module SIM900, LCD and Arduino with each other, that I have already explained in my previous video. So that video thumbnail you can see on the screen. You should watch that video and you should connect all these three modules first. So I will provide the video link on that video link also in the description. So you can go to that video and you can connect SIM900, Arduino and LCD with each other by watching that video. Now in this video we will connect relay, two relay module and servo motor with the Arduino. Okay, now you can see first there is this short circuit. You can see very small circuit. So this is nothing but the 0 PCB which is used for common VCC and common ground. So you can see there is a plus point which is nothing but the VCC and negative point is nothing but the ground. So basically the 5 voltage pin from the Arduino, there is a 5 volt number also print on the Arduino. So that 5 volts should become to the plus point and ground pin from the Arduino should become to the ground pin. So I will connect 5 volt pin from the Arduino. So this is the 5 volt pin to the 5 volt pin here, and this is the ground pin of the Arduino. So you can see the green is nothing but the ground pin of Arduino. So I will connect ground pin to ground pin, and this color pin nothing but the 5 volt pin of Arduino. So I will connect to the 5 volt common here. So whenever I require the 5 volt and ground, I will directly take on that 5 volt and ground from this common pin. Okay, now next part is you can see LCD also having the VCC and ground pin. So I will take the VCC pin from this LCD. So you can see this VCC pin from this LCD I will take from here and I will connect to common 5 volt. So you can see common 5 volt here. Now ground pin also from the LCD I will take on from here and I will connect to the common ground here. So this is the ground. So this is the ground pin of the LCD and I will connect to the common ground. Then also the ground pin of GSM model, that also should be connected to common ground. So I will connect that common ground to here. So this is the first basic connection that you should do after watching my Arduino LCD model video and this common VCC and common ground, because common VCC and common ground I haven't explained in that video, so that I have added that part here. The small only part is you have to connect the VCC and ground pin to the common VCC and common ground. Okay, now the next part is you can see there is a relay module. So you can see whenever you purchase a relay module, you might get this single relay module or you will get multiple relay module. The same connection you can follow for single relay and multiple relay. So each relay module you can see there is a pins, you can see input pins. So on the single relay you will only observe the VCC. On the single relay you will only observe the VCC ground and one input pin. This is the multiple relay, so that you will observe the 4 input pin. So I will show you the single relay also. The same pin connection is there. So you can see this is the single relay pin and you can see at the input here there is a VCC and then ground and input, because one relay, so that one input pin. So connection is very easy. So what is our first job? Our first job is to connect the first ground pin to the common ground. So I will take one ground pin from here and I will connect to the common ground like this. Okay, now the next job is VCC pin from this relay should be connected to VCC. So this is the VCC pin, should be connected to VCC, common VCC point. Okay, now the third point is the input pin from this relay should be connected to Arduino. So this is the input pin from this AC bulb. So this is the input pin from this AC bulb and should be connected to this input pin, IN1 pin from this from this AC relay should be connected to 9 number pin of Arduino. So I will connect this pin to the 9 number pin of Arduino. So you can see this is the 9 number pin of Arduino. So I will connect here. So one relay pin should be connected to 9 number pin. Okay, the second point is, you can see at the output side there is a relay. Okay, now at the output you can see there is a 3 pin of relay. Each pin is nothing but the middle one pin is nothing but the common pin. So you can see if I say this relay, so at the output you will find the 3 pin. Middle one pin is nothing but the common pin. This is the common pin, then this is the open collector pin, and this is the close collector pin. We will use the middle one pin and open collector pin for all this also relay and this also relay. Okay, now this is the AC bulb. So how to connect the AC bulb? You can focus here. So you have this AC bulb like this. Let's observe, this is your bulb and bulb is connected to the, here is your holder, 2 pin holder which is connected to your power supply, AC power supply. This holder, 1 pin, there is a 2 pin, this is the 1 pin and this is the 1 pin. So 1 pin from the bulb should be directly connected to the holder like here. Second pin from the bulb, this is your bulb, second pin from the bulb should be connected to open collector pin of relay, and then another pin, another relay, that is middle one pin, that is a common 1 pin, should be connected to the holder, second holder. You can see second pin here. So this is the simple circuit you have to connect by yourself. So you have to create by yourself. Okay, now I will show you how to connect the bulb with the holder as per this image. So you can see this is the bulb. Here you can see there is an image in the bulb. So bulb 1 pin, it is 1 pin, it directly goes to the holder. You can see bulb 1 pin directly connect to the holder. Now holder second pin, you can see this is the holder second pin, it is open right now. You can see there is not connected this pin and this pin, and you can see bulb second pin. So bulb second pin is this yellow pin, this is also open. So I will connect bulb second pin to the this 1 pin, open collector pin. So bulb second holder pin, second pin should be connected to here. Okay, this is connected. Now holder open pin, that is the second pin from the holder, like this one. This second pin from the holder should be connected to the middle one pin. Okay, now we have connected the pin. You can see we have connected the pin. Now you can plug directly this pin to the your AC supply and your circuit is okay for this relay. Now the next part is, there is servo motor. You can see this is the servo motor and we should connect this servo motor to the Arduino. So how to connect the servo motor? You can see so each servo motor having 3 pins. So you can see each servo motor having 3 pins. So one pin is nothing but the dark brown, then red, and then orange. So dark brown is nothing but your common ground pin, red pin nothing but the common VCC pin, and orange pin nothing but the data pin should be connected to the Arduino. So we will do that simple connection again. So first one is dark brown, that is the common ground pin. So this is the dark brown and it should be connected to common ground, should be here. Then second pin is nothing but the dark red, that is the VCC pin, should be connected to common VCC here. And the third pin is nothing but the This is the third pin. This is should be connected to orange. This is orange pin, and this should be connected to Arduino. The orange pin should be connected to Arduino 12 number. So we can see this is the 12 number. So I will connect here. So very easy and simple circuit. Now only the last part is remaining, this relay board. So how to connect this relay board? Again the same connection. VCC pin should be connected to common VCC. So this is VCC pin, should be connected to common VCC point like here. Then ground pin should be connected to common ground. So this is the ground pin and should be connected to common ground. And input pin, this is the input pin of this relay. This is the input pin of this relay, should be connected to 8 number pin of Arduino. So this is the input pin and this should be connected to 8 number pin of Arduino. Okay, we have connected up till now. Now we have to connect the DC motor here. Now you can see this is my simple DC motor. You can also purchase this DC motor from the Amazon or from the Flipkart. Also you can see all the hardware you can purchase from the Amazon or the Flipkart. Okay, so this DC motor having 2 pins. You can see these 2 pins. There is no polarity of this 2 pin. Now I will again explain the circuit on the here with the image. So you can see this is the DC motor. This is the fan. You can see this is the fan. The DC motor having 2 pin, one this pin, second this pin. So one pin should be connected to common pin of relay. So this is the common pin of relay. Second pin of relay, you can see second pin, that is nothing but the collector pin. Open collector pin should be connected to Arduino negative pin, ground pin. And this second pin of DC motor should be connected to positive pin, plus 5 volt pin of Arduino. Plus 5 volt pin of Arduino. So this is the basic circuit. Now we will connect the same. So this is the 2 pin. Now I will place this circuit, place this my DC motor here. First pin of the DC motor should be connected to middle one pin of relay. So this pin I will place middle one pin of relay. Okay, now the next pin, that is open collector pin of relay. This is the open collector pin of relay. Should be connected to common ground. So this is our common ground. And second point of DC motor, you can see second point of DC motor should be connected to common VCC. So this is like this. I will extend the pin and this is VCC. Okay, so in this way we complete the complete hardware connection of this project. I hope you understand the complete hardware connection. If you don't understand, watch this complete video again. You will definitely understand. Now we will see the programming part of this project. Okay, now we will see the programming explanation of this project. So before start the programming explanation, it is very important you should have the Arduino software in your laptop. So how to install this software in your laptop, that I have already explained in my this video, protest simulation of accident and alcohol detection video. So if you watch this video and if you don't have this software, then you should watch this video and try to install this software in your laptop. Now next file you have to download from my Google Drive link. The Google Drive link given in the description, and you should download this folder from my Google Drive link, Home Automation Arduino. So in this folder you will find this file, home automation.ino file. So this is basically main program file. So how to open that program file, I will tell you once again. So how to open that program file, I will tell you once again. Please download this program file from my Google Drive link. Okay, so first double click on your Arduino software. So once you double click on Arduino software will be open. So once the software open, go to the file, click on the open. Then go to a downloaded folder. So let's say I downloaded folder from my Google Drive link. So let's say I have assumed you have downloaded already my folder. So this is my folder. So inside that folder you will find this file. So open that file. So once you open that file, you will find the lines of code, and now we will see the importance of each and every line of code. Now the first line is hash include liquid crystal.h. So basically whenever you want to use the LCD in your project, then you require this library. Software serial, basically it is used for the serial communication, which is basically used for the GSM model. So that's why their library is included. Now the next library is hash include servomotor.h. So basically if you want to use the servo motor in your project, then you should use this library. Then liquid crystal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So so whatever the LCD pin that we have connected in the hardware explanation, that pin we have defined here for the LCD. Same for the fan number pin, we define the 8 number. AC bulb pin, we define the 9 number, and 10 and 11 nothing but the GSM pin. So basically all these 4 lines are denoted the whatever the pin connection we have used in the hardware with respect to our hardware module. So fan is connected to 8 number, AC bulb is connected to 9 number of Arduino, this is LCD pin, and this is the RxTX pin of the GSM module. Now the servo motor pin also connected to 12 number. So all this pin denoted the hardware connection pin number. Next line is whenever you want to use the servo motor in your code, then you require one servo variable. So how to define that servo variable? It is by using this line. Then next is GSM read. So whatever the message received from the GSM, that message gets stored into this variable. Now next line is import position. So it is the position of the servo motor. Receive message is basically function which is used to configure the SIM900A into the receiving mode. Now in void setup you can see from this to this is the void setup. So whatever the pin we use, whatever the baud rate we require for this project, that setup we will do here. So basically pin mode AC bulb output. So our relay will work as output pin, or relay pin work as output pin. So to define that pin as output, we will use these two line. Then servo motor we will attach at this line. So you can see my servo attach, we will use gate number, and gate number we define at the starting. So get is 12. So basically here we are defining the servo motor pin, and we attach the servo motor on this pin. Then we are using the baud rate as 9600. Then at the starting it will print the in setup on the serial terminal. Then at the starting it will pin home automation through the GSM message on the LCD by using this line. Then we have to turn off the bulb and turn off the fan. So whatever the AC, whatever the relay I use for the AC bulb, that is work as active low. So active low means whenever I send the 0 signal on that relay, then it will turn on, and whenever I send the 1 signal on that relay, then it will turn off. And the second relay I use for the fan, that is work as active high. So active high means whenever I send the 1 signal on that relay, it will turn on. Whenever I send the 0 signal on that relay, it will turn off. So at the starting I have to turn off both the relay. So that's why I will send the high signal on the AC bulb and the low signal on the fan. Then at the initial I have to start the servo motor from the starting. So that's why my servo write to the 25 degrees, so that servo motor close and gate is closed at the starting. Then next is the receive message function. So this message function will be called here. You can see this message function, and AT command is sent on the GSM module, and these are the AT command. Basically all this AT command is used to configure the GSM module as a receiver mode. Then next line while loop will be start, and whatever the code present inside the while loop, it will execute for the infinite number of time. So first we have to print on the LCD waiting for the message. So basically all these 4 lines are used to print that message on the LCD. Then my serial dot available. So basically when the message received on the GSM model, my serial dot available should be greater than 0 that time. So here we are checking either my serial dot available is greater or not. So once is greater, that means message is received. So to retrieve the message, we will use this logic. So what is importance of this logic? I have already explained in my previous video, and please watch that video, GSM Arduino video, and you will get this logic. So once we receive the message, that message get stored into this GSM read variable, and we are comparing all this message. So basically this is the input message when we send to the GSM model. So GSM read we will compare with the bulb on. So this is our first message. So if the GSM read is equal to bulb on, that means when we send the bulb on message, it will compare here, and if that message is equal to bulb on, then we have to turn on the AC bulb. So how to turn on the AC bulb? Just write the 0 signal on the relay module, so it will turn on the AC bulb. With the same logic, if else logic is there for the bulb off, and with the same logic there is a if else logic for the fan on, fan off. So to turn on the fan, we have to again send the high signal on the relay. To turn off the fan, we have to send the low signal on the relay. So all the message you can see, this is the else if else loop, all this if else loop, and I am comparing all the our message, that is bulb on, bulb off, fan on and fan off, and once I compare, then I am taking the their respective actions. So let's say for example I have to turn off the fan, so I will compare here GSM read fan off, and to turn off the fan we have to send the 0 signal on the relay. So how to send the 0 signal? Digital write fan low with this line. So in this way, this is 4 line I use. Why this 4 line use? That is the reason behind the logic. Now the next logic is GSM read get on. So basically get on is the function, it is a message to turn on the servo motor. So once the get on message is received, it will compare here and it will start the servo motor from the 0 to 1, so from the 25 degree to 120 degree cell, 120 degree. So to start the servo motor from the 25 to 120, this is for loop logic is used, and one by one you can see my servo dot write position I am writing. So first position 25, then increment by 1, second position 26, then increment by 1 till 120 position. So this logic will be executed till 120 position. So once the 120 position reach, the servo motor completely open. Now if the get off message received at here at this line, then we have to start from the 120 to 25. That's why position minus minus here, and we are writing the position one by one on the servo motor. So this is the complete idea behind this code. I hope you understand the complete idea behind this code. Please watch this video again if you don't understand the code explanation. Definitely you will understand. Now the next and very important point is how to upload the video. How to upload the program in the Arduino. So first point is you have to verify the program. Just click on this verify button. So once you click on verify button, make sure here compilation successful should be there. So once the compilation successful there, next is you have to go to the tools and go to the board. Go to the here board and go to the Arduino AVR, and here you should select the Arduino. Before verify also you can go to the tools, then board and select the Arduino here, and then click on verify button. Then when you connect the Arduino, just select the port whenever you connect the Arduino. Let's say I am connecting the Arduino right now. Okay, now let's say if I connect my Arduino here on the my COM port of my laptop, then I will go to the tools and I will first go to the port. Now you can see Arduino COM port 5 is selected. Then you can click on this upload button. So once you click on this upload arrow, the project start uploading on your Arduino. So once it upload on the Arduino, your project start working. This is the complete idea behind this project, and with this video definitely you will able to design and develop by this project by yourself. All the codes are available in my Google Drive link. You can download the code and you can develop and design this project by yourself. If you like my content, please click on the like button. Please subscribe my channel and provide your support.